Shamai, I am smiling because we have reached 25,000 subscribers here on Ukulele Wales. It happened over the weekend. Now, when I first started this channel, I really wasn't sure. I'd been making videos, the play-along videos for ukuleleans, but you never saw me. So this was really the first time that you got to see me as a person. So I really wasn't sure. But as it is, a few years later, we're here and we're at 25,000 subscribers. Honestly, I am beaming. So to celebrate that fact, I thought I'd do a little bit of a giveaway. So just before I announce the giveaway and what the prize is going to be and how you can enter it, last week I went away on a cheeky little trip. I went over to Carla UK headquarters. In other words, Carla Brand Music, their HQ. Shamai, I'm going on a little jolly today. I'm going to go and visit Carla Brand UK, their headquarters. It's about an hour or so away from where I live. So there's actually two reasons why I'm going. I'm going to visit Carla and see Geraint and Gareth, who run Carla Brand UK, but also a good friend of mine, Steve, is coming down. In fact, he's already down. He's a ukulele teacher. He flew down yesterday. So yeah, I'm just going up to see him, see the lads from Carla, and have a little bit of a nice day out. It's a gorgeous day. It is very, very sunny. It's a bit cold. I had to defrost the car this morning. So yeah, looking forward to seeing the lads. Yeah, sorry about the glaring sun, and it is that warm actually at the minute. I need to get out the sun. Right, I'm here, I'm at Carla, and it's been a lovely journey actually. Right, so I am here, Carla Brand HQ. I am just waiting for them to let me in. Who have we got behind here?
Shamai!
Hey! Who's on the door then? Where's Mr. Kyle, the ukulele teacher?
1 cup of tea later.
Right, so yeah, we're here in Carla HQ, and I mean HQ, this is the hub at the minute. And in front of me, we've got Geraint, who is Mr. Boss. Good morning, Geraint.
Morning, Shamai. How are you guys?
So, you haven't been here long, actually, have you? Do you want to explain a bit?
We've been here since August 24. It's been a quick turnaround of getting things up and running, but we've finally got our premier UK distribution centre for all our Carla products.
Ooh, right. Well, what I'm going to do for you guys now is show you around Carla HQ.
Let's go.
So we're just going into the main stock room at the minute now.
The cardboard palace is what we call it. I mean, this is essentially what will come in off the shipments. Roughly averaging about a shipment a month at the moment, a 20-foot container of all this ukulele goodness. So you've got the soprano stuff here, and then concert, tenor, baritone, and then some U-bass stuff at the back for Dame Ricci.
Who's this in the corner? Hello, Walt.
Hello world.
Hard at work at the minute. What are you up to?
Are we really hard at work when all I'm doing is playing one of these?
Yeah, but really, you're making it lovely for somebody, aren't you?
I'm making it playable. We're taking these up to the show today, so...
Oh, what show are you going to?
Guitar show in Birmingham.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
You going as well?
Yeah, we're both of us going to shoot off possibly in the next couple of hours. It's a Friday, Saturday and Sunday kind of show, but I think Sunday we may knock it on the head and get out of there pretty early.
Awesome. What sort of instruments are you taking?
Exclusive U-bass
for
this weekend. We're partnering up with the boys at Southern Ukulele Store, who offered us a table. So we couldn't refuse to work with those boys. We love those boys. But yeah, as you can see, this pile here, Walt has been busy for the past couple of days getting these ready.
Oh, look at that. We got pink, we got black.
They're all fretted. But we've
Nice.
got a little bit of everything there, left hand, all fretted, in all the colours available at the moment. yeah, really looking forward to it because for us, it'll be interesting to connect with a different audience because ukulele festivals, as you know, it's just 100 miles per hour. But this time it's more guitar orientated. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how the weekend goes.
So, look! There's more U-basses. Wow. There you are. So anybody looking for a U-bass, they are in the country. Simple as that. So yeah, we're looking down on the stock at the minute. Wow, what a sight. That's brilliant. And right over there, can you see the famous, hang on, let me zoom in. The famous Carla wall. I think I saw it in Cheltenham last. And hiding behind there is a certain ukulele teacher. We shall go over there in a moment. So I am here in the Carla studio, of all places, with Mr. Steve Kyle.
Hi.
How are we, Steve? All right?
I'm good, yes.
I've seen you since Cheltenham, I don't think it was it?
Yeah, I didn't really see much of you. I was kind of always waving as we went past each other.
You were busy. I always had a camera in my hand. It was a good weekend, though. Fair play.
It was amazing.
So, right, you were from the northeast.
Yep.
I've known Steve now online and things for quite a few years, really, isn't it? So, what do you do, Steve?
So, I'm a ukulele teacher really most of the time, but I also have a classroom job teaching music. So, obviously, where I kind of bring ukes into the classroom like you used to.
Yeah.
But outside of that, I've got my own business, which is ukeschool, and also because early on when I started teaching, the standard of ukes wasn't always great. I started to sell ukes through ukeshop. Yeah. Which is.
Hang on. So give a shout out, ukeshop. How can people find ukeshop?
Via Facebook, I've got a page which is ukeshop UK,
right.
And I've also got a website which is ukeshop.co.uk. Not everything's always on there because I find it in between my mad lifestyle of teaching and travelling.
So why did you start selling ukuleles though?
I'll not say which particular store people were buying the ukuleles from, but let's just say it used to be famous for catalogues.
Right.
And people would bring them in and they weren't highly regarded in the ukulele circles. So you're up for a battle, you've got a student comes in and you're immediately going, right, okay.
Lidl's my worst.
Yeah.
They come from
we've
Lidl.
had that as well.
Yeah.
We've had that. And Smith's Toys.
Yes,
Smith's Toys is a good one at the moment. Given all this advertising, all these companies that shouldn't sell ukuleles but do.
Don't buy a ukulele from
a toy shop.
A toy shop, a catalogue shop.
Yeah.
Or somewhere where you just normally go and buy your food. Just please don't do it.
But I do sell a lot of Carla, hence why I'm here today.
Well, that's, I was going to say why you here, but of course it's because you were a Carla dealer, aren't you? So in terms of teaching and things now, how did you start with ukulele? Have you always done ukulele?
No. So I was a classroom teacher in a primary school.
I'm not anymore.
Yeah. Prior to that, I was a music teacher in a middle school. So I've got 3 schools that I work in teaching uke, and then I've got my own school where I teach music with the odd bit of uke. So,
right.
And then because I got the premises, which started when I started an adult group, my lovely Art of Ukes.
Yeah.
And I decided that was worthwhile to have somewhere where I could do one-to-ones. So I've got family groups that come for lessons, which is something that I think is fairly unique.
Yeah, that sounds
I advertise
really cool,
that way.
actually, yeah.
I've got one mum and 2 boys who've been coming for 6 years.
Do they
now.
argue in lessons?
Not really, no.
All right.
No,
Nice.
it's good. And that's something I'm really passionate about. It's something I want to develop more, but it's always difficult.
I could never have a ukulele lesson with my mother. I'm just saying.
No, yeah.
Not happening.
Likewise. I just started teaching my grandson the other day, tentatively. I did a formal 1 minute of teaching the C chord. But I don't want to become one of those. Right, you will learn to play an instrument because I play it.
I've started teaching my great nephew, who he's got a little mini U bass for Christmas, and I'm quite lucky because he already plays a bit of piano and he's had violin lessons, and he's loving it. The first lesson, absolutely brilliant. The second lesson, have you practiced? No. We had a row. I said, right, well, don't play then. And he was like, "Ugh." So he's back on it. Yeah, I think the ukulele scene, it's certainly not diminishing in the UK at the minute. It seems to be. Gutted there isn't a big festival this year, but we've got Shrook Fest. Are you going to any of those?
There's the North Tyneside one, which is happening in the autumn.
When I set my timetable up, I thought, no, I'm going to do it for me.
Yeah.
And so I purposely, I don't teach Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Yeah.
And then I timetabled myself to do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday teaching.
That's good, so you can get away.
And
long
the
breaks,
whole, because
yeah.
otherwise I'd be gutted going, I can't do that. And it
Yeah.
just means I don't need to look in the diary. Somebody says, oh, it's next year on a Friday. I'm like, yeah, that's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So, oh, cool. What do you think of Carla?
I love it.
As in, like, the new.
Yeah,
It's cool,
I think
isn't
it's
it?
amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
I will show the camera around in a minute.
yeah,
Now, so you can see.
Gareth were like tributes to get it this good so early.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, he was always saying to me, oh, it's not ready, it's not ready.
Yeah.
You know, I haven't quite got how we want it, but to
Oh,
be
no.
honest, to do this in so little time, in a few
Absolutely.
months, it's amazing.
Right, so yeah, I'm still in the studio in the media room, and we've got that famous Carla background. Oh, look. They're Yuki's. He took my advice and switched the lava lamp on early. And then just behind me, there's a little computer setup, because this is actually, they can record not just video and things, they can record audio. And that's what Steve has been doing up here, is making a few videos of some of the stock Carla have got, so he can show his customers and his pupils and so on. Right, I think I'm going to have a little wander downstairs before we head home. But yeah, it's been a cracking day at Carla so far, I gotta say. So I hope you enjoyed that. I had a great day out, I'm not going to lie. So, 25,000 subscribers. Wow. Honestly, beaming. I really, really am. But to celebrate that fact and to thank you guys, okay, I want to do a little giveaway, which is going to be, and it'll be you a choice, either a Ukulele Wales t-shirt or a Ukuleleans t-shirt. All right, and I'll do it through my Redbubble shop, so it doesn't matter where you live, okay? You'll get a choice, obviously, as I just said, design, but the colour, the size, and so on. So, how do you win one of these t-shirts? Well, you've got to get the answer correct, or whoever gets closest to the correct answer is going to win. What is the question? How many ukuleles and bass ukuleles have I got? And I'm going to be brutally honest, I don't know myself at the minute. So the rules, okay, it's going to be my current instruments, not things I have previously owned. All ukuleles, all sized ukuleles, electric ukuleles, the solid body ones, and the electroacoustic ukuleles, wood ukuleles, plastic ukuleles, used to be ukuleles, if that makes sense. Bass ukuleles, okay, so bass ukes, ukulele basses, basses, mini basses, basically any bass that is up to and including 23.5-inch scale with rubber strings or metal strings, but mini or ukulele basses. You must be a subscriber to be in it to win it. And if the winning number is posted more than once, whoever posted the winning number first gets the prize. And only one guess per person. If I see several comments by the same person, none of them count. So as I was talking, I was just showing you a few random shots round the house and some places where you may find some of my ukuleles. As I said, I genuinely don't know myself. I used to keep a count of them, I haven't done for quite a while. But what I will do is I will count them all up before the deadline. And the deadline is the 17th of March, which is going to be approximately 2 weeks away from when I post this video now. So a massive thank you to everybody who supports me here on the channel. Honestly, I've had a blast since starting to make the videos. I really, really have. And it's been so nice to get to know so many of you and meet up with you in person. Quite a lot of you now as well. All right, so thank you all so much. Just for informational purposes though, and I was quite shocked at this the other day when I checked, currently 70% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. In other words, there's about 30% subscribers watching. So please, 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 If you do watch my videos and you're not a subscriber, will you please subscribe? It is free and it does make a huge difference to the YouTube algorithms, all right? But thank you all so much for all the support. And of course, good luck in winning that t-shirt, and probably good luck to me finding all and counting all my instruments, my ukuleles, my bass ukuleles, mini basses, and so on. So there we are. I do hope you've enjoyed my little trip to Carla headquarters. And don't forget now, you've got to enter in the comments how many ukuleles and bass ukuleles I've got to be in with a chance of winning the giveaway. As always, though, I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.